This is a Raya Box number 8, one of the most difficult puzzles in the Raya Box series, and I will show you how to solve it in this video. The Raya Box number 8 was designed and made by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey. It has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 7 parts inside the frame. If you like the Raya Box number 8 and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you would like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. At least I'll try to remember the solution since it is that tricky. So first of all, as always, I'm going to put the parts in a way how they will fit inside the frame, and it will be like that. And then you have to find a way how to put them inside, but this part will be even more difficult. So I'll try to reverse solve the puzzle. Imagine that it is inside the box. You remove these 2 parts, then you won't be able to remove any of the other parts because of the restrictions. Then you can move this part, these 2 parts, then this goes here. What you can do next, you can move these 2 parts here, then you can lift these 2 parts up like that. Move the L-shaped piece under, then you will be able to remove this part. Then, okay, this won't go here, but it will, yeah, it will be possible if it is here. Then you can probably move it here and remove this part. Okay, let's see. If I put these parts here, then I try to fit this part inside of the frame and slide it to the right like that. Then what I have to do is to put those parts on the bottom layer. Then this piece goes here, and that is where was my mistake. I won't be able to fit this piece now. Okay, so I have to redo the solution a little bit, since now I have to remove this L-shaped piece, and I will put it a little bit later. And I start by putting these 2 parts inside, then this goes here. I can probably move it to the left now. Oh, probably the eyepiece goes up, and I can drop this down, move it to the left and here. Then I can grab this part, put it down here, slide it to the right. Then this piece goes here. All this go here. This goes here. Okay, yeah, that looks correct. Now I can lift this piece up. Again, move the L-shaped piece there. The next one will be this piece. I put it right here. Ooh, okay, then I have to flip the box again to lift the eyepiece up, then tilt the box so that the L-shaped piece will go under the I-shaped piece. It didn't work from the first try. Let's do it again. This piece goes here. Hey, what's wrong? Let's try it again. The I-shaped piece goes here. Yeah, like that. Then the L-shaped piece goes under the I-shaped piece. Like that. Oh, this piece drops here. This goes to the left. Then I shift this piece to the front. Tilt the box so that the L-shaped piece and the I-shaped piece drop here. Then this piece goes to the front, this goes to the left, and now I will be able to put this piece inside and then the square piece inside. And that's how you solve the Raya Box number 5 puzzle. That is quite a difficult solution, as you can see. I hope you were able to follow what I was doing. If no, you have a little bit of a reference and you can try to figure out the rest of the steps yourself. If you like the Raya Box number 8, and you want to try other great puzzles from the Raya Box series, go to puzzlemaster.ca.